Hey friends, Ryan here with Ryan's Candles and Crafts, and welcome to the third episode of our Mystery Kit Challenge. We are going to jump into this right away, go ahead and get some of this done, and then we'll come back and then we'll talk about the new storage system that I have that is going to help us get a little bit further, a little bit faster with this diamond painting. I got through about 6 sections, and I got through those pretty quickly. With what I did, it was about 7 hours worth of work. I was doing about 13, 11 diamonds placed per hour. So 1,311 diamonds placed per hour with this new tray system that we have. I am very happy with it. I'm very pleased with it. There's a couple things that are a little off with it, but I'll cover that in a full review video that will be coming out here probably within the next week or two. I want to really get myself ingrained into using this and see how this is really going to work and affect how I'm completing this diamond painting. Going through and only doing 6 sections, I don't feel like I can do a review of it right now justice, but for now and for purposes of this video, we have increased our production already by over 200 diamonds placed per hour. And I think we're going to get even higher than that too. I think we may even get up to 1,500 diamonds placed per hour. But I love this system. I love it. It is the Forever Young 3-in-1 system. So the 3-in-1 system, and no, I am not sponsored by them. This is me buying it and trying it and loving it. But this is the 3-in-1 system. You have the trays with the stand. There's a lip up here at the top. There are feet down here at the bottom. This is great. This helps stabilize it if you need it to. I've got mine pushed up against the wall, so I don't really need it. And it's nice. It's really nice. And the trays themselves, they're a little bit smaller than what I expected. However, they work for what we need to do with this painting. And I think it's going to work out for any other painting that needs to be done too. And it's very easily identifiable. You can see the colors really well. I like the clearness of it. I like that they're clear so I can see everything very easily because I am a color visual person when it comes to this kind of stuff. So yeah. Let's dive into more of this diamond painting. I am trying to skip around, but I will say that with the point that we're at right now, I think it's about 35% complete, I may just go ahead and just start completing the painting. Reason being is that flipping it back and forth with the small workspace that you can see that I have, it's not easy. It's not easy to be able to do. So being able to start at the bottom and then work my way up, let's go ahead and start revealing more of this mystery painting. And then we'll kind of go from there as to what our next steps are going to be. Now I was going through my notes, and for this week, I was able to increase my production tremendously with this system. I went from about 1,100 diamonds placed per hour to, on average now, about 1,300 diamonds placed per hour. My peak was at about 1,600 an hour, and that's because I came across a couple of really easy sections. But the last couple of sections were very confetti heavy, but this system works out tremendously for large confetti sections, let me tell you. I was able to complete about 18% of the project this week. I'm very happy about that. Total now we're at about 44%. So from this point forward, it's really now just a matter of getting the rest of this painting done. So we'll see kind of what I want to do over the next couple of weeks when it comes to putting videos out there for this. Like I said, the main focus is just getting this done. Let me show you what I have for my workstation. So here's everything that I've got laid out. You can see the large area that we've completed down here, which I'm so thrilled about. This is actually turning out to be a really nice painting. Not one I would typically buy, however, it's turning out really nice. I love all the colors in it. But as you can see here, this is how I have this set up. So I've got my alphabets over here, I have the numbers, and then I started color coordinating all of my greens, and then my browns, my blues, turquoises, yellows, reds, purples, all of that over there. We had talked through recognizing the symbols, the patterns, where, you know, what the different colors looked like. So now I can automatically see if I have this symbol. Oh no, that would have been really bad. If I have this symbol here, then I know that that is going to be that dark green color. Now, the thing that I really like about this too is that since I have one down at the end that I'm not using, right now I have everything pretty much mainly focused right here because this is the area that I'm working on. Once I move further down this way, I'll actually be able to take, one of these is still empty, so I can take this one and just push my whole section down. And then that way, once I move to the middle or even down to the left, it's a little bit easier to go back and forth. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Do you have something like this? Are you interested in something like this? Again, this is the Forever Young 3-in-1 system that I got. They sell them individually like this. So you get a tower with 20, and you can get 1, 2, or 3 together. I ended up getting 2 3-packs together, so that I had 120 available because a lot of the colors in the kits that I have is a lot, and that's what I needed. Now, last but not least, again, don't forget to take a look at the description down below, look at our Patreon page, give a tip through PayPal, subscribe to the channel, make sure you hit that notification bell so you get notified on when videos get uploaded. I've got a couple more videos going to be happening with this one, and then after that, if you guys saw the unboxing of Magic Hats, you'll know that here in a few weeks we will be starting our first podcast episode. And with that, we will be working on the Magic Hats diamond painting. Now, that is all we have for today. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Until next time, light a candle, pour a coffee, and let's keep crafting.